Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. IRS reminds businesses to report large cash transactions. E-file encouraged. IR 2021-47, February 26, 2021, Washington. The Internal Revenue Service today reminds businesses of their responsibility to file Form 8300, Report of Cash Payments over $10,000. There's a link to that form here, and encourages e-filing to help them file accurate, complete forms. Although many cash transactions are legitimate, information reported on Form 8300 can help stop those who evade taxes, profit from drug trading, encourage in terrorist financing, and conduct with criminal activities. So obviously, when you're thinking about these large cash transactions, the IRS wants to make sure, one, that your silent partner is getting paid, that they're getting paid part of the large transactions in the form of taxes, but also large cash transactions can be a sign of illegal type of activity as well. So it could help them with drug trading and terrorist kind of conduct as well, to just take a look at those large transactions. So I think the order that they have put it here is probably the proper order that the IRS sees it as. Tax evasion. First, they're thinking, are we getting paid over here as part of this $10,000? And then, of course, the other stuff, which is the profit from drug trading and encourage in terrorist financing. And they're like, yeah, we should probably stop that too. But first, we want to see if we get paid, and then we'll look into that other stuff. But in any case, the government can often trace money from these illegal activities through payments reported on complete, accurate forms. To help businesses prepare and file reports, the IRS created a video on how to complete Form 8300. Part 1 and Part 2 can be found here. There's links to those videos. The short video points out sections of Form 8300 for which the IRS commonly finds mistakes and complaints how to accurately complete those sections. Also, the IRS encourages businesses to electronically file complete forms, although they have the option of filing Form 8300 on paper. Electronic filing is more accurate and reduces the need for follow-up correspondence with the IRS. So obviously the IRS is trying to do everything electronically at this point in time, so you still can file Form 8300 with a paper filing, but the IRS is going to do what they can to say, we'd really like it, electronically here, and it might go a little bit more smoothly for you if you did it electronically. So many businesses have already found the free and secure e-filing system is a more convenient and cost-effective way to meet the reporting deadline of 15 days after a transaction. They get free automatic acknowledgement of receipt when they file, and businesses can batch file their reports, which is especially helpful to those required to file many forms. So to file Form 8300 electronically, a business must set up an account with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, the BSA e-filing system. There's a link to the BSA e-filing system here. For more information, interested businesses can call the Bank Secretary Act e-filing help desk at 866-346-9478, 866-346-9478, or email them to bsaefiling@finance.gov. There's that link or email address here. So the help desk is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information about the reporting requirements, you can see FS 2021-3. There's a link to that here, available on the IRS website. So obviously for those people, for all of us people out there, all those people that are making, significant amounts, more than $10,000 per transaction and whatnot, we have this added burden that we got to report this form. So you got to make sure to do that. But there's a link to that here, and there'll be a link to this in the description.